What do you think of the cooperation between Umno and PAS?
Well, it shouldn't be formalized. I'm not for a merger, and I don't think it can happen anyway. We have fundamentally different parties. We can cooperate on certain issues, and we can cooperate tactically for electoral purposes. But it's not going to be a formal coalition. It's not going to be a formal merger. We agree on certain things, for instance on ISET, but it's not just Umno and PAS, even PPBM has a similar view, Anwar also. So, I think we should be open to cooperating with anybody where we feel that there's an alignment of interests and positions.